Hi, welcome back. Now we will learn the basic menu icons and functions to build your 2D room. Let's begin with one of the easiest tools to use, the room icon. This icon will create a rectangle or square room for you by inputting the measurements for each side and selecting OK. If you would like to delete the room, go to Edit and down to Delete. Click on any corner and drag the mouse till the area you want to delete is highlighted. Then right-click your mouse and the area will be deleted. The Draw Wall by Center Line tool. This tool creates a room based off of interior measurements. You can create as many walls and angles as needed to build your room. Select the icon and left-click anywhere on the drawing board. You can also manually generate the walls by inputting the length and angle, if any is needed, in the field on the top left corner. The dimensions can be entered in as feet or inches. Once done, place the wall where it needs to go and continue on the next wall measurement. Once all walls are created and the last to connect to create a complete room, right-click to end the wall creating mode and left-click the inside of the room to create the now connecting room. The free wall icon. This icon will let you add walls to an existing room. To use, just simply left-click the icon, set your wall by clicking left, and when you're done placing the wall, right-click your mouse. Now for some windows. Our window or bay window icon will help you create the windows for your room. Just click on any window icon and left-click them to place windows where they need to go. Once you finish placing all windows in the room, you right-click anywhere to exit window placing mode. You may input the width, height, and elevation before or after placing windows. When modifying windows, you must remember to click the Modify Size icon to save your new changes for each window. You can move, copy, delete, remove frame, reposition, and change property of window by right-clicking the window and a drop-down menu should appear. You may also left-click the window and a window with the items from the drop-down menu should appear. We have different types of window, like our bay windows or corner bay windows. These icons are similar to our window icons. Only difference is that you can input depth and side angle. And for our editing drop-down menu, we have added the option to inwards or outwards according to your home layout. Next, we're going to add the doors. We have different kinds of door options for you to use. You may use the single, double, sliding, folding, or balcony door. Functions are similar to those of the window ones. Click on an icon of the door you want to input. Left-click it to the wall it needs to be placed at, and once you're done, right-click to stop placing mode. We can modify their width, height, and elevation, and save the changes by clicking Modify Size after every size change made. For our single and double doors, we must remember to click on the actual door itself to make any changes. If you click on the red or blue lines, you will be clicking the wall and not the door. If we right-click our doors, we can see all the different options we have to modify the doors. The column icon. Go ahead and click on the column icon and then put the length and width desired. Once our measurements are in, we can go ahead and place the column where it needs to be. To edit the column, we can click left or right to show both edit menus as previously shown with the rest of the items. Now to add the beams, or as we call them, girders. Click on the girder icon and then click on the wall you'll be placing it on. Once you click on the wall, a drop-down menu will appear where you may input all the measurements needed. Once you have all the information in, you can left-click the girder into position or abort by right-clicking. To edit, you may right or left-click the girder and the edit menus should appear. Now that we have the basics down in creating our room, we can save it by going to File and hitting Save. Choose your room type. In this example, we'll be using kitchen. Now you may create yourself a temporary account. Input your information. Hit OK, then next. And then you may save your room to your files. Well, this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching.